Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to Tech World Vlogs and Tesla. On this channel, I review all the latest software update for the Tesla Model Y and probably rolls into the Model 3, Model S, and Model X. And we just got a brand new release here from Tesla. This is 2023.12.1.1. Quite a mouthful, but on this latest software update from Tesla, there's a few features added here. First of all, they have the text size user interface improvement. So now you have the ability to choose between large text size to on the touch screen. Just go to control, display, and then text size, which is pretty cool. So if you want to get a larger text view, that is available. Next feature that's added is the control search. Use the search function for quicker access to control. Basically go to control, search, and enter the search term. Make changes directly from the results. And if you tap on the link, it jumps you to the panel control. Pretty cool. We'll check that out in a second. Next up, we have points of interest. So now you have points of interest added to the map. See photos and reviews when you select a point of interest on or on a supercharged location, which is pretty cool. It looks like that. It has like the reviews on the top, and then the various like what is this, if it's a business, if it's a common location, it is available there. Pretty cool. Next up, we have phone call control. So control your phone call from the steering wheel. Use the left scroll button to answer or decline incoming calls while you're on a call. Use it to mute and unmute or even hang up, which is pretty cool. Love that it integrated more functionality into the scroll wheel. Next up, we have scroll wheel customization. Similar to the previous update, on the scroll wheel here on the left side, do more with the left scroll wheel on the steering wheel. You can adjust settings like brightness, acceleration mode, or performance action like throttling the camera, opening and glove box, and dash cam. Long press of the scroll wheel to bring up a list of functions. Choose the list, and then to do this, choose the function comes up by default. Go to control, display, and then scroll wheel function. We'll check all that out. Seems like these features are all added onto the control part of the software. So now we have gear chime. A chime now sounds when you are shifting gears. So toggle to gear chime under the control safety gear chime. We'll check that out. And for all the other folks out there, British language is now available as a voice recognition language. Pretty cool that you could use voice recognition language on the scroll wheel. Something I use a lot. So let's check out some of these features here. Go here to control, and over here we should have the option to change the brightness. Let's get a little brighter. Let's see what's available. So here it's new. This is the new search option, so you can basically search the features. So let's see, let's say we want to look for the gear chime. GEAR, gear chime is turned on. It's already available, so you can basically navigate to those things quite fast by looking at the search option. Next, we want to go to the text text size is right there, so you can choose between standard or large. Changing will require you to restart your system, so I'm gonna hit cancel. I kind of like it as is, so don't really want to make those changes. Let's see if let's look around. I always find on these updates it's always good to look around, see if there's anything new added. Nothing here. Looks kind of same. Charging looks, this is different. This is definitely different. So we never had this display before, this user interface before. So here you can actually toggle what percentage of charge you want to have. This looks completely new. Charge at location with this charger. You can basically set the voltage for the charging. That is completely new. Interesting. Autopilot, let's see what we have here. Nothing new on the autopilot option. Pretty much the same. Locks are the same. Lights, Nothing new on the lights. So yeah, interesting. Auto cancel, something that's pretty interesting. Turn signal, you can do auto cancel. On the display option, we obviously, this is fairly new, the way they integrate the brightness control. And this is where we have this scroll wheel function. You can designate a like shortcut for your scroll wheel. So for me, it would definitely be the glove box, because I hate reaching over to adjust the glove box. But it can also be the temperature control. Either or would be pretty interesting. I might actually even do the camera, because I don't really go into the glove box a lot. And you can set this as ask each time. So for now, we'll just leave the camera. Voice recognition is set up, and it says there you can choose all different voice recognition. Voice navigation is set up. Text size is right there. Energy display, kilometers, pressure, all that is the same. In terms of the trips are pretty much the same, nothing new there. And then safety looks pretty much exactly the same. The user face just looks a slight smidge different, but nothing too fancy. And then on the service area, tire pressure looks exactly the same. Everything else look kind of similar. Software is obviously the software update. Upgrades, you can add in that feature there of self-driving, subscribe into it. But other than that, I don't want to make the video too long, but those are the new features here added with the release note. And in terms of user interface, if you click on, let's say, this supercharger, you'll see points of interest pop up there, which is pretty cool. The map does look very like new and fresh. And if I click on, let's say, that charging location, I will see like a favorite it. I can see what's nearby, which was always there, but I could also add this here directly to a destination. And then you can see all the nearby shopping. Let's say coffee place that's nearby, you can pick directly which the nearby coffee places you want to visit to. So all in all, pretty awesome upgrade, love it. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe, like, share. I also have a special coupon code here for Jawa. Jawa makes great accessory like this here. I use this a lot. This is the lamp, which allows you to have light set up. I love this here. And this is an accessory directly from Jawa. So something if you're looking to add new features or to take advantage of that Jawa sale. They have great floor mats. Right now it's kind of dark, so you can't see my floor mats, but they have great floor mats. Awesome little accessory for your Tesla, all different models. So check that out. The coupon code is in the description, and you'll get a fantastic discount with all Jawa products. Subscribe, like, share, and we'll see you on the next video.